Hello everybody! Welcome back to our channel, and today is unboxing day. But let me introduce myself first, guys. I'm Mama P, and if you are new to our channel, welcome to our channel. And to those who are returning, thank you, and thank you for all the love and support. Welcome back to our channel. It's me, Mama P, and today is unboxing day. So before we proceed to our unboxing day, guys, I just want to say, remember, you are great and you are amazing. So today we're going to do unboxing of Coach. So here it is, guys. So don't worry about this because the letters, because the video is facing in front of me. So let's go ahead. So what I got in here, guys, so let's do this. So here it is, guys. So this is the Coach bag. Just so you know, guys, I'm not bragging, guys. I am just unboxing what my husband gave me on our anniversary last February. Actually, guys, I should supposed to make a video of this last February, but we've been very busy, and this couple of weeks we've been in a tough situation, and I had too much on my plate, guys, that I forgot to unbox this. But now it's time to unbox this beauty. So here it is, guys. Coach. So I like this one, guys. So let's go ahead and open this beauty. It's like that, guys, and it has a strap. Goes with a strap, guys. There's a strap with here, so you can carry it with sling, body sling. And then let's go ahead and open this. There's the manual, Coach manual, and like that, guys, like that. And there's one packet here, another one packet here, and it's spacious, guys. And there's also one packet in here in the front and not in the back. So this is the Coach purse, guys, and I have one more here, and the second one is this one, the wallet. So here's the wallet. So it has a pocket here, and there's card slots 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then do like that, and then you can put your money here, guys, and you can put your coins here, and there's the manual, guys. So that's it, guys. And next is the receipt. I'm not gonna tell you how much is it, but you can visit the nearest store to you guys, the Coach, or online you can buy it. And this is the bag. So that's it for today, guys, and remember, have faith, be brave, be happy, and be yourself always. God bless everyone. Bye.